Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, April 19th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Ethereum. This Ethereum is quoted to the Tether, and this is one day or daily time frame chart on Zonda cryptocurrency exchange. So what do we have here is a quite impressive rally towards the level of 2134. That's the high, and as you can see, we broke, of course, above this high from the 2022, located at 2023. Plenty of 2000s these days. Nevertheless, we got some kind of a correction coming into the markets. Why? Because the market hit the extremely overbought conditions on the daily time frame chart. Now we have a decline. This might be kind of a significant decline towards the next technical support. So let's take a look. Where is first the dynamic technical support? Where is this, let's say, very reliable technical support on the daily time frame chart? This is the cross of the moving averages. As you can see, the next one is, well, quite far away because it's $1,682. So let's place some of the let's say horizontal technical supports. This is one of them, and I guess that this zone will be defended around here, 1737, 1784. Very important zone for the bulls, but the nearest technical support might be located around the level of 1930. So this is the nearest technical support for the bulls. It looks like this movement to the upside has not been finished yet, and the recent decline is only a part of the kind of a larger impulsive movement to the upside. So what is the next target after the 2000 is now violated? What is the next target? As you can see, it's hard to believe, but it's 3000 and 3000 and let's say 500. I guess that would be 3000 and 500. Yeah, this is the high from the 2022. There isn't much of the stable technical support after this move to the downside was made. So right now, if I would be looking for something, there you go. You can see this is this kind of level that should be acknowledged by the market participants, 2160, and then maybe, just maybe, the other technical resistance, important technical resistance, is around 2305. So maybe this kind of a zone here, let me just change this color to the red, sorry, to the green, so we don't have any confusion. There you go. So this zone here might be very, very interesting for the bears. The now last thing we would like to take a look at is, of course, the Fibonacci retracement. So let's just use the whole swing here from the bottom to the top. There you go. This is the top. Let me just play with this so I can show you guys what I mean. This is the very big wave to the downside, and right now we passed the 38% of the Fibonacci retracement. Let me just remove the not really necessary levels here. We just need those levels around here. So 38% is done, so it's not actually necessary, and the next one is 50%, 2233, and then eventually 61% of the Fibonacci retracement. So it looks like this zone is getting even much more interesting than it is right now. This zone between those levels, because this zone will be now the technical resistance. Again, let me just use one color, like a red. no, that's too much for the red color. There you go, maybe this one. And this zone between 50% of the Fibonacci retracement, 2233, and the level of 2031, the recent high, and 2160 is of course the very strong demand zone. So sorry, supply zone. So we will place our arrows as a warning for the traders that this is very strong zone here. Let me just remove 61 for now, and we got something like this, neat and clean analysis. The last thing I will put into the chart will be the maybe not the arrow, but the ray, because I would like to see if there is any sort of the channel possible to be done in the future, right? So what we are looking for is apparently let me just get rid of this. I think we have the channel, there you go, parallel channel tool here. So something like this, maybe something like this is okay, and the channel would be like that. We need of course to play around with this channel. Let's accept the middle line, not a problem here. So if you guys can see it, you possibly are aware of the fact that we are above the middle line and we are heading well somewhere around the upper channel line. So this looks so far corrective. However, the recent movement here looks much more impulsive in nature. Let me just play around with the graphics here, because it doesn't actually looks that nice. If we want to play around with this, we will use this let's say gray colors. There you go. It's much more visible right now for the our analysis purposes. So this is how it looks like. Let me just do the screenshot. There you go. And please be careful with this momentum going down towards the level of 50, of course. So we will test it or break it in the nearest future. So far, the outlook remains bullish. However, very big obstacle ahead of the bulls on the Ethereum. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.